Good morning, Year 3, and happy Monday. It's the first day of March, spring's on the way, and we are looking at session 11, subtracting money. This is your last week of home learning. Tra-la! Okay, so the in focus today, you've got 3 items for sale. The hairbrush costs £6.50. The earrings costs £3.90, and the sunglasses costs £10.80. Which item costs the most? Of course, that's right, it's the sunglasses. You can see that's obviously more because it begins with a £10. However, the in focus isn't that easy today because what it's wanting you to do is it's wanting you to work out how much more. So can you pause the video now and work out how much more one item is from the other? So how much more expensive is the hairbrush to the earrings? How much more expensive are the sunglasses to the hairbrush? And so on. See if you can have a go working that out. Don't forget, you will need to be subtracting. So the larger number, take away the smaller number. Okay, pause me here, come back when you've had a go and we'll talk it through. Okay, welcome back. So hopefully you got on okay doing that. We'll talk about a couple of different strategies we can use here. Okay, so the first one I'm going to talk about, it doesn't matter which order you did them in, but the first one I'm going to talk about is the sunglasses and the hairbrush. How much more money were the sunglasses? How much more were they? We know that they cost £10.80. We knew the hairbrush was £6.50, but how much more was it? Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to subtract the pounds. I get my pen at the ready to find the pounds. I've got £10 and £6. So the first subtraction that we're going to do is 10 subtract 6, which leaves us with 4 whole pounds there. The next thing we're going to do is come across and look at the pence. Let's change my colour. We've got 80 pence, take away 50 pence, and here it is. 80, take away 50, or if you like, 8, take away 5, leaves us with 3, add the 10 back on because you're doing groups of 10. So you could do 8 take away 5 is 3, write it, or you could do 80 take away 50 is 30, but don't forget if you are doing 8 take away 5 that you remember you are doing 80 and 50, so it's 30. You need to put your 0 placeholder back on. All right then, so we've worked out the pounds leaves us with 4, the pence leaves us with 30. So the sunglasses cost £4.30 more than the hairbrush. Okay, the next one here we're going to do in a slightly different way. And the reason for this, oh, you'll see, the reason for this you'll see in a moment. So we've got the hairbrush here, take away the earrings. We want to know how much more the hairbrush is. Now we already know this, the hairbrush was £6.50 and the earrings cost us £3.90. So here we go, we've got £6.50. Well, we can see straight away here that if we try to take this 90 from 50, it's going to get a little bit more difficult. We can't take 90 from 50. Now we could do this renaming. However, an easier way to do it is to just take away £4. £3.90 is almost £4, isn't it? There's only 10 pence less. So if we've got £6.50 and we take away £4, well, that's quite easy. That just leaves us with £2.50. Now, the important bit, of course, to remember is that in taking away £4, we did leave that 10 pence gap because our earrings were £3.90, not quite 4. So just remember that we need to add that back on to our final here. Okay, so £6.50 take away 4 whole pounds is £2.50. Remembering that we need to add that 10p back on, so that would give us £2.60. Okay, right then, the last one then, depending on which order you did it in, is up here. And the last one is the difference between the earrings and the sunglasses. So we know now that the sunglasses were £10.80 and the earrings were £3.90. Now something's happened in this picture here, year 3. The earrings are put on the top and the sunglasses are put on the bottom. And who can spot why that might make it trickier for us? Well done. Yes, of course. We always need to start with the bigger number. So it doesn't matter which way you see it written in the book. Always spot the bigger number first and begin with that one when you're subtracting. This one tricks us a little bit, doesn't it? Because it puts the smaller number first. But we are whizzy enough to spot, that's where we're going to begin. Now we're going to use the same method for this one, because we've got the same problem here again, haven't we, with the earrings, that actually the earrings are almost £4. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our £10.80 for our sunglasses, here they are, and instead of taking away £3.90, which is a bit trickier, we're going to take away a whole £4, which is much easier. £10.80, take away 4 whole pounds. We're not going to do anything with the 80 because it's only the whole pounds we need to look at. £6.80, remembering that funny 10p. Remember that's from here, that's the 90p that we added up to £4. Good, well done. Added back on to give us £6.90. Okay, well done everybody. Now for the guided practice, you can pause me here and you can have a go at working out this one. The question says, calculate the savings if you buy the cheaper item. So first of all, work out which is the cheaper. Don't forget, cheaper means the smallest quantity, the least expensive. That's right, so you can spot which one is the least expensive. And it says calculate the savings. That means if you bought the cheaper item, the less expensive item, how much more money would you have? It's asking you again to find the difference. So to work this one out, you're going to need to take the more expensive item, which is the blackcurrant jam for this question A, and that's right, the chocolate cake for this question B. So start with the more expensive item and take away the cheaper item. Okay, pause me here, see how you get on, and come back when you're ready to check your answers. Okay, year 3, welcome back. Here we are, I can reveal my answers. So your saving would be, if you bought the blackcurrant jam, you'd spend £3.10. Your saving, if you bought the raspberry jam, would be 40p. This one is 40p cheaper. Here, the 2 cakes was a little bit more difficult because you didn't have whole 10s. Hopefully you managed okay with that one. And you realised that if you bought the strawberry sponge, it would have cost you 45p less. That was your saving. Okay, well done for those ones. Now on to today's worksheet. You're on worksheet 11 today. Have a go working through those. See how you get on. And I'll share with you the answers on the next slide. Here you are. Here's sheet 1. I'll move that one up a little bit so you can see it. And sheet 2. Obviously, pause this if you need a little bit longer to go through them all. Well done, everybody. I hope you have a lovely Monday. I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.